Hello everyone, welcome to episode 6 of Desi Bites. Today I'm going to make a fried savory vegetable fritter which is known as Pakora. Before we start cooking our dish, let's go talk about where this dish originated. Pakoras originate in Gujarat, specifically in western India. Gujaratis traditionally eat pakoras at tea time, and there's two varieties, meat pakoras and vegetable pakoras. But today I'm going to make the vegetable variety, which is going to be made of squash, eggplant, and other vegetables. And this is fried with a variety of spices mixed in. After we talked about where this dish originated, let's go start cooking our dish that we all have been awaiting. Desi Bites episode 6. Today we're going to make mixed vegetable pakora, and this is what we have today. So we have some 2.5 cups of mixed vegetables. We have our nigella seed, poppy seed, curry leaves, green chilies, our grated ginger, our turmeric, salt, and cayenne pepper. We're gonna have all the list of ingredients in our description below. And also, not to mention, I have our chickpea flour and our rice flour, which is going to be used for our pakora mixture. We're going to incorporate these ingredients we have. So we have our curry leaves, which is like 2 or 3 curry leaves. Our ginger, like a little bit. Chilies, add all of them. A quarter teaspoon of nigella seed. We have 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. And we're just gonna mix this around. Make it incorporated. And we're gonna add some turmeric. This is gonna be enough. You're gonna incorporate it. We're gonna add our salt too. Just add it to your taste. That's enough. And also, we're gonna add our cayenne powder. Just add it to your taste. I like it spicy, so I add it a lot. And also, we're gonna add a quarter cup of our chickpea flour. So you're gonna mix that together. And I'm gonna add my rice flour after this one incorporates together. And we're gonna need more to the consistency, so quarter cup is for now, then we're gonna add it gradually as we need it. So it's done, this is fully incorporated, and it's time to add our almost quarter cup of rice flour. Mix it there, and we're gonna incorporate it. This is just an approximation of how much we need. We might need more, but this is just a starting point for us. And now we're gonna add some oil, just like a little bit of oil. So let me just mix this together. So it's fully incorporated. Just add a little bit, some oil to mix it together. That's enough. And just mix it together, and we're gonna let that rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of the mixture resting, we have it in a good consistency, and with the hot oil, it's ready to fry. So we're gonna fry it in like a small portion like this, and drop it down into our oil. Just add down one, add down another one. And I'm gonna let these fry, and I'm gonna come back with you. We let our pakora mixture fry for a couple of minutes, and it's time to fry to see the golden brown on side, and we're gonna let the other side cook. Let me just get out of this side. And we're gonna let the other side cook for another couple of minutes like we did to the top. So I got some here. So I flipped over everything and it's almost done to be plated. So we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit more minutes, and we're gonna plate it. As you can see, it has a golden brown texture, and it's time to put it in and it's time to serve and put it in our food. Just gonna get some, let the oil dry. Get a couple. This is our final product of Pakora, and as you can see, it's extra crunchy, and we're gonna dip in some ketchup because I like ketchup. You can add whatever condiments to your liking, and let's go try it. As you can tell, you can taste the crunch. So thank you for coming to episode 7 of Desi Bites, and episode 6 I meant, and I'll see you on episode 7. Thank you.